Yeah. Come on, let's do it.
Come on.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Who are you?
We're the Neils.
Are you related?
Yes, I'm Laurie, and these are my 3 sons.
Ah. Brilliant.
Oh, they're a family. Oh.
How old are you all?
So I'm 24.
I'm 26.
And I'm 28.
And Dad?
60 this year.
Do you have jobs?
I work in marketing.
I work in a bank.
I'm a lawyer. Sorry.
So what made you form this group?
10 years ago, our dad had a heart attack. And that made him realise it needed to change the way he lives his life, pursue the thing that he loves, and that's singing. And the 3 of us are here because we realised the reason he had that heart attack was because he ran himself into the ground trying to provide for us. So you'd have thought when he asked us to come on Britain's Got Talent, try and help him achieve his dream of being a singer, we'd have said yes. But it took him 3 years pestering. But we're here now. When we heard that our dad was ill, everything goes through your head.
He's the person that we all look up to. He's the head of the family. To have your dad potentially taken away, it was one of the worst times in our lives.
And it really was a wake-up call. It made me realise there's more to life than just working. I'm old enough to know that this is the last chance I'm ever going to get.
No pressure.
No pressure. No pressure.
Last chance I'm ever going to get. The boys have always liked singing, and I've always enjoyed a bit of karaoke and that sort of thing.
We get together at family events and Christmas time. We'd all have a few drinks and we'd like to sing a few songs together.
I want to realise a dream of singing with the boys, and they decided they'd do it, and that's why we're here today. When we sing together, it is a magical moment. I just think we found something that you only find in times of adversity.
What started off as our dad's dream is quickly kind of becoming a dream that we all share.
First public performance today.
Wow! How have the private performances gone?
Our mum and nan say we're brilliant.
Just to be on the stage with my 3 sons, they know it means a lot to me, and it does. I couldn't be more proud.
Fantastic. And where's the mama?
Somewhere in the audience.
There she is.
And our nan, who's it's her 85th birthday today.
Happy birthday, Nan. Okay, well, when you're ready, good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Simon.
Do you know what? I absolutely loved that audition.
just to see you supporting each other and this fantastic bond, it was just amazing.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, it's really, really touching, actually. I cannot think of a better way to perform than with your family and the people that you love. You guys are fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you, Chris. Thank you.
You get something very special with a family band, I think, because you just get a beautiful blend of voices, and just lovely to see the four of you enjoying being on stage together. It was fantastic.
Without being dramatic, you know that things happen in life to make you live life better. It was touching. It really, really was.
Thank you so much.
Let's take a vote. David.
I'm going to say yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alicia.
It's a yes from me, guys. It's a yes from me.
4 very big, fat yeses. If you could bottle that would make you feel great.
I just can't take it all in.